How to fix Snapchat map location error. In order to fix Snapchat map location error, you can follow these steps. First of all, what you want to do is go to settings on your device, locate location from the list, and make sure that the use location button is toggled on. As you do this, you then want to exit out of this page, open up Snapchat on your device, go to the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner of the screen. As you done this, what next you want to do is press the gear icon from the top right hand side corner, and you want to go to my account, locate a location, something like this. If you have these options here, and you could just enable it. If you cannot find the option there, you go to the home page. There you have a map icon at the bottom left. Select that, make sure that the location button, or just press the gear icon, and make sure that this ghost mode is toggled off. Once you've done this, this should be able to fix Snapchat map location. However, if the issue still persists on, you could try using your Play Store and updating it as well. So just go to the Play Store and type in Snapchat on the search bar, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. So this way you should be able to fix Snapchat map location error. And with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.